we'll look at a flap unit. This is very similar to the wall units. All the components are strapped together. You can remove the hardware and the wall hanging brackets from the box, and then carefully cut the straps holding the items together. We're going to start off by fitting the cams to the base and to the top of the flap unit. Always remember with the cam that the arrow on the cam must point in the direction of the hole where the dowel is coming into. Once all the cams are in, we're going to look at putting the dowels into the sides. Once all the dowels are in, we're going to fit our base and our top. Remember to line up the groove of the back and also to make sure that the edging is in front as you assemble. To tighten up the cam, turn in a clockwise direction until the dowel pulls tight. Once the other side is fitted, we can then look at sliding the back in. Once the back's in place, we can fit the other side. Again, just tighten up the cams in a clockwise direction until the dowels pull tight. On a flap unit, the last thing we're going to do is look at fitting the wall hanging brackets. Remember to use the instructions just to make sure that you put the wall hanging bracket the right way around with the hook facing through the back, and then fix into position. Hold the bracket flush up against the back and against the top panel when tightening. And then do the same on the other side.